Hi friends, now we see the third example. The question is same. What is that question? Determine ground state term for following metal ion in complexes. In complex, what is that complex? CO H2O 6 3 plus. Okay, this is the complex. First, you have to write the cobalt is central metal ion. Coordination number is 6. What is the name of complex? Hexaquo cobalt. Third ion. Geometry octahedral. What is the atomic number of cobalt? 27. So electronic configuration is 3d7 4s2. Here 3 charges there, that water is neutral. So for balancing, the cobalt carrying plus 3 charge, cobalt 3 plus. So system is d6. That means 3 electrons get lost. Okay, what is that system? D6 system is present. Then you just fill the electrons in d orbital 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, firstly singly paired 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, then write the values of L2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. Then write the possible L values. What is that possible L values? First you have to write the 2 for this electron and 2 for this electron, that means 4. This is 1 for this electron plus minus 1 for this electron, 0 for this electron, minus 1 plus minus 2. Then what is that value? 4 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, 5. That means what is the value? 2. Then S summation of Si. Okay, this plus half minus half get cancel. Plus half minus half, then write plus half plus half plus half plus half. What is the value? 2. Okay, then write twice s plus 1. Okay, what is the value of s? 2 plus 1, that means 5 is the value. Here less than half field is not there. Here one electron is paired, that means more than half field, so you have to take L plus S. 2 plus 2, so the value is 4. What is that series? L is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5. X is S P D F G. Okay, so twice S plus 1 is there, L is there. What is the value of L? 2. So you have to take the doublet D. Okay, what is that? Doublet D. Hence the Arias term twice s plus 1 x L plus 1 L plus s. So the value is quintet D. L plus s is 4. Okay, quintet D 4. Okay, this is the ground state term. Then write the splitting of quintet D. How you write? The splitting of quintet D term in octahedral field. How you write it here? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3. Here EG and here T2G. Okay, this is for that splitting is for octahedral complex, but when the tetrahedral complex is there, at that time how you write? The T2G is present on above side and EG is present on below side. Okay, now just fill the electrons 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again fill the electrons 1 2 3 4 5 and here 6. That means you have to put the electrons. How you write that splitting in different ways? How many ways are there for to filling the electron? This is first way, this is second way, and this is third way. That means that's filling of electron in 3 ways. So what is that ground state term? Quintet T2G is ground state term. Okay, ground state term. Okay, when you write that one way, at that time you have to take A. When the filling of electron write in 3 ways, you have to take T. That means T2G. Okay, T2G is the ground state term. Okay, now we see the next complex. Next complex. What is that? Vanadium. You know the vanadium. Okay, now we see MnCl4. This is tetrahedral complex. Mn is the central atom. Mn is central metal ion. What is the name of this complex? Tetrachloro manganese second ion. What is the name? Tetrachloro manganese second ion. Coordination number is 4. Here 4 ligands are present, so coordination number is 4. Then geometry is tetrahedral. Manganese atomic number is 25. So 3d5 4s2. Here Cl carrying -4. Okay, so Mn, how you calculate the charge? X. You have to consider X for Mn. Then X plus here -4, which is equal to -2. X, which is equal to -2 plus 4. X is equal to plus 2. Okay, what is the value of X? 2. So you have to take Mn carries 2 plus charge. Okay, see here how you calculate the charge in that way. Okay, that X for Mn. Okay, then Mn2 plus d5 system. You just put the electrons in d orbital 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, then write the values of L, write the values of S. What is the value of L? 2 1 0 -1 -2. Then how you take? Here value is 0. Okay, so value is, what is the value of S? 5/2. You just put the values in twice S plus 1. So what is that value? 6. Here less than half filled, so you have to take L minus S. What is that answer? -5/2. We know the series. From that, here L is 0, you have to take S. That means twice S plus 1 X. So twice S plus 1 is 6 and X is, yes. Why we take the S? Because L is equal to 0. From that series, we take sextet S singlet. Sextet S is the ground state term, and after that we write the splitting. See this carefully. When the tetrahedral complex is there, at that time T2G is right on above side and EG is right on below side. This is only you have to write here E. Okay, T2. Then how you fill the electron? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, see here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, this electron filling is right only by one way. So ground state term is sextet A1G is the ground state term. This is the ways for to ground state term for following metal ion in the complex. From that we calculate the ground state term. Okay, now we see the chromium NH3 6 3 plus ion. Okay, this complex you take for your homework and you just solve by the same way. From that complex, first you have to write the coordination number. Chromium is the central metal ion, then name of that complex. Okay, then electronic configuration, then metal ion charge, and then we get the answer. Okay, thank you.